Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Johnson. Um, I currently work at a nursing home as a social worker. And although I've had a lot of experience with the aging population, also had experience with younger children in foster care. Um, so I have a decent amount of goals for this year. I am looking to expand a little bit of my knowledge um, with children and young adults. But at the same time, I am continually learning about the aging population as well, and maybe want to focus a little more on medical social work. As that is pretty much what I'm working with now within the nursing home. Um, so, a couple of the goals I want to work on would be maybe just continue self care. Um, I am thinking a lot about internship next year, the clinical portion of it. And although I have done the internship last year, I want to continue being balanced and managing my full-time job as well as the internship while still maintaining self-care and try to make time for myself despite the extra work. Um, I also want to work on balancing empathy with my clients, but also at the same time being able to leave work at work. Because I know a couple social workers who become very absorbed in their clients' stories, and sometimes they continue to think about those clients even while they're at home. And um, so I want to be able to be more aware of that part of me. And while I do feel like I empathize pretty well with clients, I do kind of want to um, do more with them, but at the same time, still being able to go home and focus on myself. So I look forward to meeting the rest of you guys and talk with you all soon. Thanks.